What's up, fellas? Average model guy coming back at you here. We're going to continue progress on our 1/35th scale Soviet fire truck. It's a short recap of what we got done previous episode. Got our frame rail all together, got our fuel tank in there, got our battery. So yeah, we're looking really good so far. Like I said, this is coming together pretty easy. Pieces fit really well, not a whole lot of extra flashing or anything like that. So really impressed with this kit so far. So as you can see out here, I already got all my steps laid out, and we're going to go ahead and get the engine assembled. I'm going to test fit it inside here and make sure it's good to go. I'm going to hold off on actually gluing the engine in the bay because I want to finish getting the rest of the rear done. I want to get the rear drivetrain done, front done. I want to get that all done so I can go ahead and get this all painted black. I believe that's what it is on the instructions. It's supposed to be all black. So then I'll paint up the engine separately. Once that's all painted, I'll go ahead and put the engine inside, and then we'll keep working from there. But I'll be back once the engine's all done and put together, and we can see how it fits. Okay, we're back. Got the engine all assembled here. Let me zoom in. It was a pretty easy engine build, actually. Pieces went together darn near perfect. Had a little bit of issue with the belts and pulleys, but other than that, let me focus it in. Belts and pulleys there, so had a little bit of an issue with those, but other than that, it went together really well. Quite happy with it. So, got her all put together. I went ahead and did the test fit in here, and it fits really well. So, I'm gonna finish getting the rest of the rear end done, the front end done. Get some black paint on it, and then we'll be ready to probably move on to the cab, I'm assuming. Didn't really look too much ahead, but yeah, this is what we got coming up here. So I'll probably do some of this stuff off camera, and then next episode come back with it put together and probably painted. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, well, catch you guys later.